Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the fourth day of Fitmas. And today your body gives you either 4 tricep dips or 4 tricep kickbacks. Now, I am going to say that if you have shoulder issues, I would definitely skip the tricep dips and do the tricep kickbacks instead. So I will demonstrate a couple of the tricep dips and then I will show you the tricep kickbacks. Now, when you're doing tricep dips, you really need to watch your shoulder position. A lot of times people, instead of doing a tricep dip, wind up doing shoulder shrugs, and that's not what you want. You want to focus on the muscles that are on the back of your arm. So the biceps are on the front and the triceps are on the back. So you'll want to make sure you have a sturdy chair that is pushed all the way against the wall or that is not going to slip out from underneath you. You're going to have your hands on either side of your hips and you're going to walk your feet out. Now, having your feet flat on the floor like you're sitting in a chair is going to be a little easier because you can use your feet and your legs to help you with the dips. To take your legs out straight is going to be a little bit harder. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to drop the shoulders down and back into your back pocket, and you're going to keep them there. So even while you're bending your elbows in the dip, you want to think about pushing yourself up and away. You're going to walk your feet out just so your butt barely grazes the chair, okay? So what we don't want to do is an up and down like this. What we want to do is we want to slowly lower and then come back up again. Notice my shoulders didn't move, they didn't go up and down, just my elbows bend, and then you're going to come back up again. You're going to do 4, so 2 more of these. So down and up and down and up, and then you're going to slide your backside back onto the chair. So as you can see, if you have shoulder issues, that may not be the best choice for you today. So now I'm going to show you the tricep kickbacks to do instead, and you're going to do 4 of those. These use dumbbells. You can use anything with weight, water bottles, dumbbells, a couple of really heavy books, just something that you can hold on to comfortably and do your kickbacks. So I'm going to grab my 8. You can use any size weight that you have. You're going to be nice and tall sitting or standing. Again, shoulders are in your back pocket, and you're going to fold at your hips, whether you're sitting or standing. You're going to squeeze your shoulder blades together, have your elbows pointing back behind you in line with your torso. So you want to make sure that you're not popping your elbows super high and letting that shoulder pop forwards. So squeeze the shoulder blades, and all you're going to do is you're going to reach back like somebody, so you can see my weights. Somebody's going to hand you something and you're going to put it back in your pocket. So it's a bicep curl, but because you're leaning forwards and reaching behind you, good, let's do 1 more. You're working the triceps instead. So now let's finish the rest of our 12 days of Fitmas. 3 bicep curls. So again, it can be the same weight or a different one, palms forwards or in. I'm going to do in today. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. Now we're going to do our 2 perfect push-ups. And this time, I'm going to do them at an incline on my knees on a chair. So lots of different options. Again, make sure it's somewhere that it's not going to slide out from underneath you. You're going to be in a good position. You're going to have your toes tucked under. We don't have a lot of space in here today, so this is kind of like a transition. So you're going to be toes tucked under, nice and tall posture, so don't let your butt go back. Shoulders away from the ears. You're going to go down. Here's 1, and then here's 2. Good. Now we're going to do our 1-minute wall sit. I have to go grab my timer. All right, is everybody ready? Good. All right, and your time is on. So as we're doing these exercises over the next few days, so this is day 4, we've got 8 more days after this, I want you to think about which way you want to do it. So I'm kind of showing some different ways for you to do push-ups. right? So you can do push-ups on the wall, you can do them on the chair, on the floor, or on a countertop. So pick which one you want to do. And once you know the exercises, you may have to move around your apartment or your house or your area a little bit, but do what works. Challenge yourself, but make sure that your form is really good. The nice thing about this challenge is the fact that there's not a lot of exercises and you only do everything one time through. So it's a good chance for you to really work on your form and on your technique and get better and progress over the 12 days. So we have 10 seconds left. I'm going to try to sink down just a little bit more. Get that little bit in there. Good, and slide yourself up, walk it back, and you just completed the 4th day of Fitmas. So have a wonderful day, everybody, and I will see you tomorrow.